In this first scene, we have a simple HTML document containing a script tag. Inside the script, we immediately log the comparison between this and the window object to the console. This in the global scope of a browser context always refers to the window object. This statement will therefore log true, indicating that they are indeed the same. Now, let's define a function called checkThis. Inside this function, we're also checking if this equals the window object. When checkThis is called in the global scope, which we do right after declaring it, this still refers to the window object. This is because we're not in strict mode, and thus this hasn't been changed to be undefined in the function context. To illustrate the difference, let's enter strict mode by adding useStrict at the beginning of a function. Now, when we define a new function checkThis and log this to the console, and then call it, this will be undefined. Strict mode changes the behavior of this inside a function to be undefined instead of the global object when the function is called in the global scope. Lastly, let's explore how this behaves in a different context, such as in an event handler. We add an event listener to the document's body that listens for clicks. Inside the event handler function, we log the comparison between this and document body. In this case, this refers to the object that the event handler is bound to, the document's body. Therefore, clicking on the body of the document will log true. To provide more clarity, let's compare this with event current target within the event handler. The current target property of the event object always refers to the element whose event listener triggered the event, which in this case is also the document's body. This means that this and event current target are the same within the event listener, and this comparison will log true upon a click on the body.